Hello, DIYers and builders. Samadhi Tech is your go-to source for finding the ideal tools for your projects. Join us as we showcase expertly curated collections designed to simplify your work and enhance efficiency. Enhance your toolkit with the Stahl Wheels heavy-duty self-locking wrench. Measuring 5.71 inches in length, this tool is crafted from durable chrome vanadium alloy and hardened for superior strength and reliability. Its forged contoured jaws and quick release lever ensure durability for heavy, continuous use. The nickel-plated handle offers a secure grip while protecting the tool from corrosion. Ideal for cutting wire and handling delicate components, this wrench is a dependable choice for both domestic and industrial applications. Universal Fastening tool set combines multiple fastening options into a single design, allowing compatibility with 6 fastener types: hexagonal, 12-sided, partially rounded hexagonal, square, external star, and slotted. These tools offer superior efficiency, being 50% thinner and up to 40% stronger than standard ratchets. With a 5-degree ratchet rotation angle, they easily turn fasteners in tight spaces. Each through head replaces both deep and standard heads, and the system works seamlessly with long, threaded rods. Laser-engraved sizing ensures quick identification, covering 10 to 19 millimeters and 3/8 to 7/8 inches. The set also includes a 3/8 inch adapter for use with standard square heads. Rigid, compact cordless saw is an excellent tool for cutting 3-inch diameter materials such as aluminum, plaster, drywall, PVC, and tile. This 18-volt tool features an ergonomic housing designed for effortless one-handed operation. Its powerful brushless motor runs at 19,000 RPM, ensuring extended runtime and durability. The forward and reverse switch allows for easy cutting direction changes, while the variable speed trigger enables precise speed control. An adjustable top rotating guard enhances comfort and usability, and built-in LED illumination improves visibility in tight or low-light spaces. Hurricane heavy-duty 10-inch metal shears are a reliable tool designed for a secure grip and precise, straight cuts. Ideal for tackling tough materials, they effortlessly cut through sheet metal, copper, aluminum, plastic, thick cardboard, wire mesh, and hardware cloth. They can handle cold-rolled and galvanized sheet metal up to 18-gauge and stainless steel up to 22-gauge. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, the serrated blades feature a ground finish for superior strength and durability. A built-in latch protects the cutting edge during storage, while the spring-loaded mechanism enables quick, one-handed operation. The ergonomic rubberized handle enhances comfort, and a built-in hanging hole allows for easy storage. Milwaukee Compact Cordless Cutter is designed for fast, precise cutting across various materials, featuring an ergonomic housing optimized for one-handed operation. Its brushless motor delivers 20,000 RPM, ensuring powerful performance while minimizing stalling. A unique reverse blade rotation function offers full control over material and spark removal, allowing users to choose the optimal cutting direction. The tool includes a tool-free guard adjustment and LED backlighting for enhanced visibility and ease of use. Equipped with RedLink Plus intelligence, it provides optimal performance and overload protection, making it ideal for cutting light to medium metals. Spyder Pro Holster is a modern, quick-release solution designed to keep essential tools within easy reach. It securely attaches to any standard belt or waistband, allowing freedom of movement while preventing excessive tool shifting. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort for both hands and evenly distributes weight across the belt. The convenient thumb lock can be easily adjusted for left or right-handed use, while a high-quality metal clip ensures long-lasting durability. The self-locking mechanism snaps into place each time the tool is inserted, providing a secure and reliable fit. Hossett Smart Case 52 Ratchet Bit Set combines the benefits of a compact, lightweight textile case with the durability of a rigid toolbox. It offers stable and easily accessible storage, ensuring optimal visibility and quick retrieval of the maximum number of tools in minimal space. The easy-to-clean material and smooth, pleasant-to-touch surface provide a comfortable user experience. The magnetic closure allows for quick opening and is designed to withstand long-term use without wearing out. The case includes a magnetic fastener for rapid access to tools and provides multiple opening options for convenient tool retrieval, such as standing like a tablet case, folding, or lying flat. The sturdy and robust tool holder securely keeps bits in place, while the extension enables you to work in even the most hard-to-reach areas. Simplify patio installation with the TX Universal Installation Tool and secure your patio like a pro. This attachment features a one-step approach to screwing fasteners, increasing installation speed and accuracy, while reducing labor time by up to 50%. The innovative nose cone ensures precise alignment with the screw head during every installation. The convenient bit holder stores the included star shank bits, keeping everything organized and within reach. The versatile handle allows for both pushing and pulling motions, making it easy to use. This tool is suitable for both professionals and beginners tackling DIY projects for the first time. Hillmore Pipe Reaming Tool is designed for the initial preparation of pipes before joining. It is suitable for various applications involving pipes made of soft metals such as copper, aluminum, and others. The tool features a comfortable rubberized handle and a gun-shaped design, making it easy to press on the specialized lever that rolls out the pipe's hole. With this tool, you can ream pipes with diameters ranging from 5/16 inch to 1/5/8 inches. It operates at a slow speed, minimizing the risk of damaging or breaking the pipe. The device comes with interchangeable heads in different sizes, which can be installed with a single motion. The entire set is conveniently stored in a dedicated case included with the kit, ensuring organization and portability. Ropi high-pressure washer delivers 1,800 psi of adjustable water jets, making it perfect for handling cleaning tasks. With a 1.2-gallon tank and a 16-pound design, it's well-suited for household use. The washer comes with a 20-foot hose, providing extended reach, cover large areas effortlessly. Designed with portability in mind, it includes a carrying handle and convenient shoulder strap. Powered by electricity, it operates quietly and is environmentally friendly. The unit features a nozzle with an adjustable water head and uses a M22 connection, ensuring compatibility with a variety of accessories.